Hello YouTubers, this is Really Epic Person here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Gimp 2.8 image editing software. So, we're going to create a very small basic image, 640 by 480, with a white background color. And once we do that, you see that I have two little boxes here, two little tabs. One's for tool options, which is for all of these, substitutes for all of them. And then there is the Layers tab, which if you need to add, just add tab Layers. And once you're done with that, you have a layer here called Background. Now, today we're going to be adding a new layer called Artwork, and it's going to be a transparent little layer added to the top of the white background. Now, to add stuff to this, we're just going to click on the layer, and with a paintbrush, we're just going to choose a paintbrush here. And we're going to create an epic little smiley face, just to be basic. Very, very creepy looking smiley face. But now that we have this, we have the artwork and the background layer. We have the little black stuff and the white background separated from each other. Now, let's just rotate one of these layers. So, we're going to take this layer and we're going to rotate it. And once we do that, there we go. And you can also rotate this layer. Now, the second thing we're going to do here is I'm going to teach you how to merge two layers. Now, let's say you had an epic thing of text like I have on the desktop here. If you wondered how I created that and turned that into one layer, all I had to do was create the text, filters, light and shadow, drop shadow. Once I did that, I used this anchor tool to anchor the two layers together so that if I were to rotate the text, it would rotate the shadow and the text because they're both separate layers. So that's the anchor tool. Now, we want to use the merge down option here so that we merge these two layers, so we don't want to anchor them. That doesn't work. And it was disabled earlier. So now we have that. If we do anything with this one layer, we can name it anything we like with edit layer attributes here. And we just rotate that whole thing. And now I don't like that, so Control Z. And now I'm going to teach you how to save it. Now, you should normally know how to use this, but Gimp users of Gimp 2. Anything below 2.8, which what I'm using right now. Now let's call it smiley face.xcf. And xcf is a very basic Gimp file. And we would want to normally to save it as a PNG. Or maybe a JPEG or something logical for viewing purposes. Because I want to view every image in Gimp. And I can't export it to everything. So, now that we have that, we're just going to save that. Now, if you want to save it as something different, like a JPEG or a PNG, we hit export. And this is new in Gimp. If you don't, if you'll just try to save it as something, it'll give you a little error message telling you about the new features. So, now once we're done with that, we just save it in our little pictures folder. And we have a little option tool. Let's just check these. We definitely want to have this option checked. Comment creation, chat, and resolution. Oh gosh, you have to change it. You have to keep that. So we just export it, and we are done. So please subscribe to my videos and keep up with the series. Enjoy.